Buenas tardes, chicos y chicas. Soy Señorita Brian reporting in for day 13 of your 15-day contingency plan packet. You guys are on the middle of the first row where it says day 13. You're doing notes on DOLER, which have been filled in for you, and que le duele blank worksheet. All right, so your assignment is going to look like this today. All right, so it gives you notes on the verb doler. The verb doler means to hurt or to ache in English. We use it as a reflexive verb because it's something that's hurting you directly. And it's also one of your stem changers. So if you guys take a look, the yo, tú, él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes are the only forms that change. Remember, these are also called boot verbs. Your nosotros and vosotros forms never change if it is a stem changer, so it's dolemos and doles. The only reason I'm showing you all the conjugations is because you need to know these bottom two. That's why they have all the asterisks around them. We use doler the same way we use gustar in Spanish. So me duele is when one singular body part hurts you, like if your back hurts. And me duelen is if, for example, if you stub a couple toes and they hurt really bad, you're going to say me duelen los pies. Underneath, I'm showing you guys the pronoun that you would put in front. Take note that for él, ella, usted, and for ellos, ellas, ustedes, instead of se, the pronoun is les for ellos and le for singular, okay? And I give you guys an example down here as well. Me duele el dedo, my finger hurts me, versus me duelen los pies, my feet hurt me. You see how it's a plural verb to match a plural noun, and likewise a singular verb for a singular noun, okay? Your practice, you have to write a complete sentence in Spanish that says which body part or parts is hurting each cartoon character. So you have SpongeBob, and then you have a bunch of stock images. So for number one, I said, a SpongeBob le duele la espalda. All right, because I'm saying SpongeBob's back is hurting him. For each of the rest of these, you can just use él or ella. It's up to you, okay? I just put this out here. It's called the impersonal A. You just put it before each person. So you're saying, él le duele blank. Or if you want the thumb to be a girl, ella le duele blank. All right, so you just have to try 5 on your own, so doing numbers 2 through 6. I will be available with questions to answer for you guys between 1 and 2 o'clock, just like I did on Monday. All right, if you have any questions or aren't sure how to pronounce a certain body part, just ask me and I'll be happy to answer you. I'll see you guys later. Nos vemos.